So let us do the time and work of different models. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. B and C in 15 days. C and A in 20 days. In how many days will they finish the work? Will they finish it together and separately? Once again, A and B can do piece of work in 12 days, B and C in 15 days, C and A in 20 days. In how many days will they finish it to do it separately? So this is A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. A and B can finish the work in 12 days. Next, B and C in 15 days. B and C mean B and C can finish a work is equal to 15 days. Next, C and A. C and A can finish a work in what else? 20 days. So what they are asking, how many days will they finish it together and separately? Together and separately they are asking. So what? How to do this one? A and B, B and C. Just you add this, what you will get? A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A is equal to what you will get? A plus A 2A plus 2B plus 2C is equal to 2 times A plus B plus C. So that means if you add all these things, what you get? 2 times A plus B plus C. That means you have to add all this, the right side also now is equal to 1. So here can finish your work in 12 days, no? In 1 day. Similarly, you write here 1 day. 1 by 12, 1 by 15, 1 by 20. So 2A plus 2A is equal to this one. Therefore, just write like this. Don't change anything. Work done by them in 1 day is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 14. Here 1 day we have written, no? So 1 day, whenever you are writing 1 day, you have to divide like this. So work done by them. But what is the answer? We got 2 times A plus B plus C is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. This is nothing but A plus B plus C is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 into 1 by 2. This 2 I am cross multiplication, if you do, you will get same answer. This you simplify. The answer will become, you simplify this, you will get 10 days. So A plus B plus C, you simplify this answer, you will get 10 days. I am not going to do it, will take a lot of time. So please try to do by yourself. By this time you should be perfect about fractions and all. So you get 10 days. Now here A plus B plus C, they can complete in 10 days. So in 1 day, they will complete in 1 day, 3 of them will do in 1 by 10. 1 by 10th part of the work. So here, take this first one. A plus B plus C is equal to, in 1 day, 1 by 10. Now here A and B is there, no? A and B can finish in 12 days. So you will get C value here. Therefore A and B can finish the work in one day. How much? 1 by 12. C work is equal to 1 by 10. What I am doing here, A plus B plus C is there. No, all the three. They will complete the work in one. Answer I got as simplification 1 by 10. So in one day, not 10 days, in one day they will complete in this much. So all the three. Here A plus B is A plus B, they will do complete the work in 1 by 12. So you will get from this C. C is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 12. C is equal to 60 LCM. 10, 60, 60. 10 into 6, 10 into 6 minus 1 by 12 into 5 into 5. 10 6 are 60. Here 1 into 6 by 60 minus 5 by 60. 1 by 60. So therefore C alone can do it in C in one day is equal to 1 by 60. So therefore total work in how many days C can finish? C can finish in 60 days. So in the same way we calculate B and A. That I am giving you as a practice. So here once again I will repeat the question. Add this A, B, B, C. You will get 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. That is nothing but one day. So one day means 1 by 12. This is all you add it. You will get like this. And from this, these all the 3 can complete the work in 1 by 10. So here A plus together. When all the 3 is can complete in 1 by 10, 2 of them they have given 1 by 12. So easily you will get the other, and there is the solution. Next, another one. This is very important and also slightly different also. A can do a piece of work in 25 days, B can do in 20 days. They work together for 5 days. They work together for 5 days. Then A goes away. In how many days B finish the remaining work? Very, very important. Very important, this one. A can do a piece of work in 25 days. B can finish in 20 days. They have given A can do 25 days, B in 20 days. They will work together for 5 days. A is given as A can complete the work in 25 days. A will take 25 days. B can finish it in 20 days. A can complete the work in 25 days. B can complete the work in 20 days. They work together for 5 days. Both of them work together for 5 days. Together, they will complete the work in 5 days. Together, they will complete in 5 days. Next, then A goes away. In middle of the work, something has happened. So some quarrel or something like that happened. So A left the field. Means A said, I am not going to work. Then how many days B will finish the remaining work? B finishes B, how many days B finish the remaining work. Very important, underline that word remaining. B finish the remaining work. So how to do this one? A can do a piece of work in 25 days, B can do in 20 days. Together they will complete in 5 days. So in middle of the work A left, that means A left the business. Then B finishes the remaining work. That means somehow you have to finish the work, no? So B will take the initiative. So how to do this one? Just follow this remaining work. Underline that word remaining. Very important. Remaining work. A is 1 day work. A's 1 day work is nothing but 1 by 25. No? If A takes 25 days in 1 day, A can do it 1 by 25. B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 20. A's 1 day work, B's 1 day work. Next, together 1 by 25 plus 1 by 20. That's it. That together, let us see how many days together. Together they finish the work. Together I have written now. Together means A plus B's 1 day work. A plus B's 1 day work. So LCM is 25, 20. What is LCM? It is 100. So 25 into 4 into 4, 20 into 5 into 5. 25 4 is 100. Now LCM is 100. So 4 plus 5, 9 by 100. 25 4 is on here 4 plus 5. So 9 by 100. They work together for 5 days. No, this is for 1 day. 5 days work. 1 day work, 5 days work is equal to 5 into 9 by 100. Are you understanding? Together they can complete the work in 5 days. Here, both I did like this. A 5 days work I have to calculate. No, this is for 1 day work. Together they will complete. Means both of them they are continuously working for 5 days. This is for 1 day for 5 days. Simplification. 5 9 are 45. 9 by 20. So until here, no doubts, nothing is there. A 1 day we have calculated in 1 day, 1 work. Both of them, as we have discussed in previous classes, how to do 1 day's work like that. Now this is just slight different question. Together they will complete in 5 days. So 5 days work. This is for 1 day for 5 days work is 9 by 20. So 9 by 20 is there, 5 days work. So remaining work will be there. No, I told that underline the word remaining. Remaining work will be there. No, remaining work. How will you get? Always remember, remaining work is equal to 1 minus something. Remaining work is always 1 minus the work which they have done. 9 by 20. 1 minus 9 by 20. Remaining work is always 1 minus something. That is the meaning. No, remaining means total whole minus the part of the work done. So 1 minus 1 by 9 by 20 is nothing but take the LCM. By 1 you write 20. 1 into 20 by 20 minus 9 by 20 into 1. Both denominators are same. I want to make both denominators are same. 20 minus 9 by 20. 20 minus 9 is 11 by 20. So remaining work I have calculated 1 minus the part of the work which they have done is 1. So remaining work 11 by 20. That means this 11 by 20, B finishes the remaining work. In how many days B will finish the remaining work? Remaining work is 11 by 20. So one full work B will take in 20 days. So one part of the work is given. Part of the work is given 11 by 20. So how many days he will take? B. One work B finishes in 20 days. So one work is there, it will take 20 days. B finishes in 20 days. Now one work is this much. Now what work is left over? 11 by 20 work. 11 by 20 work B finishes is equal to 20 into what? 11 by 1 work is 20. 11 by 20th work. 20 cancel. 11 days. So B finishes the work in remaining work in 11 days. So that's how you should do. Remaining work means already I told 1 minus the remaining part of the work. So I got 11 by 20. One work B finishes in 20 days. Means if you give a one work, it will finish in 20 days. Is given part 11 by 20 of the work. One work is 20. 11 by 20 of the part is nothing but 11 days. So in the next class, we will be doing some other interesting questions. For today, we will leave the class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.